Hello guys, it's John Messenger. Today I have a Beyblade unboxing. This is on Random Booster Volume 11. Confirmed Vise Leopard, which is good. I kind of don't care to mess with random boosters anymore. And I got this confirmed from Everwish for $8, which is, if you know anything about prize pays, that is like nothing. Yeah, there it is. Vise Leopard stickers. Let's go ahead and pull everything out. Okay. I'll adjust the focus as needed. I guess it's not really too necessary right now, but yeah. Alright, let me just get stuff out real quick. Just the frame, driver, disc, and the layer. We'll start off with the disc, probably the most disappointing part in here because it's 12, and 12 is by far the worst disc. Because it's just, I mean, it's really bad, plus it, breaks bays, so, kinda not too good. But anyway, let me go ahead and, just go ahead and zoom in all the way and, yeah. This is a 2-star 12 disc, alright. The driver is all taped up. Let me deal with that really quick. These taped up drivers, I don't like them at all. They're just obnoxious to deal with. Like, I get why they do it, but man, I wish they maybe had like a little bit of a better method. Because this is not enjoyable. I also can't do it in front of the camera because the setup is a little small. So I do apologize for that. So I'm trying to get this off. It's just not, like, I have it like almost all the way out. It's just not happening though. Alright. Come on. Okay. Took a half hour, but here we are. And still got plastic on my hands because tape, not plastic. Yeah, there is Destroy. This was before Destroy Dash existed though, so yeah. Okay, pretty nice. A part I actually don't have, the lift frame. This is one of the few frames that I just don't have for whatever reason. But yeah, I don't think they made a ton of lift frames, if I'm correct. But yeah, anyway, here it is. This is the lift frame. 2 different modes. It's the first flippable frame. Yep. Finally, the layer, Vise Leopard. I always thought this layer was very, very weird and I didn't like it, but maybe my mind will be changed when I see it. And we have it here in the blue plastic, so, which is really annoying, but hopefully it comes off pretty easily. It's not. This blue plastic is weird. It's like tape, and I don't understand it. If anyone knows why it does that, let me know. 'Cause I don't. Not with like a special type of plastic. And okay, this actually does look really nice. Pretty good teeth. Very thick layer as well. Has this gimmick to where it goes up. I think, yeah, is this rubber? Yeah, I think this is rubber. Okay, I didn't know that. The metal here. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and mess with the disc and frame a little bit here. I'm going to go ahead and put the disc on in the first mode real quick, and that's going to scrape a lot, I could already tell. Okay. Other mode might be better. Let's check it out. No, I don't think it is. I think both modes are going to just scrape everywhere. I kind of like the other mode. I like this mode better, actually. Okay. Also, I actually have an upgrade to my unboxings. Finally, we have something a little bit more interesting to add. And that is this scale. So I finally bought a scale. I've been needing one for a long time, so I could weigh the bay now. So here is the driver, 6.63 grams. It is older, so it's not really as important, but it's just fun to do, I guess. 12 disc is, yeah, 6.68, or 16.68, my bad. Lift frame, 3.41, and the Vise Leopard layer, 19 on the dot. Alright. Move that back for a minute, and yeah, we'll go ahead and reassemble the bay. Not reassemble it, it never was assembled. Anyway. There it is, Vise Leopard 12 lift destroy. Let me, yeah. Looks nice. Yeah, it has this really, I guess this would defend against upper attacks, and yeah, I don't think the gimmick of biting down is going to work at all, but got a little bit of a defensive ability to it. I don't know. I don't think this layer was ever good though, but yeah, really, really nice layer, or bay. And the final thing I want to do is just weigh it all together. Comes in at 45.71 grams. Yeah, these bays were a lot later back then, so yeah, well, that's everything that I have for this video. So anyways, yeah, really, really cool bay. I actually liked it a lot more than I thought I would, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.